really unexpectedly, we decided to leave Manta tomorrow. In 2 days, on Saturday. It's Thursday night, and today we just decided that we want to go check out a few other cities. We want to go check out Cuenca, and Jasmine just got the A-OK to go to Chile, so we figure it's about our time to leave Manta.
So sad.
Sad.
It went by so fast. It like, we all of a sudden we were like sitting down in the house and we're like, oh my god, we've been here for 3 weeks. Like,
it's crazy. We realized there was so much we didn't get to see, didn't get to do, and didn't get to record and show you guys. But that just means we have to come back. We really loved it here, so we wanted to spend one of our last nights, make some chicken quesadillas, and have some dinner and a beer on the beach. And it's just as perfect as we thought. Nice.
Cheers.
And now we're just gonna kick it here. Our last day at the beach will probably be tomorrow, and then we're gonna get on a bus to Cuenca.
We're like dreading it, but not dreading it.
I don't want to go through the same experience on the bus as last time. I'm gonna pee before we leave the house.
Me too. I'm not packing any water.
No water, nothing to drink. I'm not drinking tomorrow until I arrive.
Right.
But I think we're also really excited. I don't know, we just, after you start booking the Airbnbs and finding your place to stay and doing some research about the city, Cuenca's it's so much bigger. There's so much more to do, I think. It's so much more to see, but there's no beach, so.
That's the important part about Manta. This is more of like a vacation area. So this is where a lot of like Ecuadorians and like anybody really living in South America or wherever, this is like where you go for vacation.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
I think like we're sadly gonna say goodbye to like summertime weather, but
yeah. So that's it's a little cooler, but it's because it's high. I think it's like almost 10,000 feet. I don't remember. It's higher up in elevation. Maybe not quite that high. Could have completely lied, but I know it's a little higher in elevation, and it's closer to the Andes Mountains, and it's got a similar feel to Cusco, is what I saw. Or
it's what it looked like.
It looked like, yeah. A lot of the right. It looks a lot like that. So
should be a lot of historical sites though, cathedrals, very like colorful town.
Our Airbnb is like right in the center of the historical district, so we're really excited about that. Those right there are the best ever. So, through an interesting chain of events that I don't know if we're happy about or not, we ended up with this amazing apartment for one night. So we are right in the middle of the historical district, right downtown, and we have these awesome balcony doors that open up to just the most incredible view. We went from sea level today at Manta to now about 8,000 or so feet, and you definitely feel it. But the view, it just doesn't get better than this. Couldn't get any closer. Let's check out a few more balconies. So this is like, it's an apartment equipped for someone to move into, except for the kitchen is not furnished. So there's no plates, there's no pots and pans, there's no dish towels, there's nothing but what you see here, which is doable for the night, but this is just such a cool place to be for even just one night. Let's check out the rest of the place. So our front door, kitchen, living room area, Don't mind our mess. We were in a rush to get going and we kind of just plopped everything down. The master bedroom, wonderfully equipped with another balcony. And these closets are actually huge with plenty of storage space. Bed looks pretty comfortable. I am getting tired, can't wait to get in there. And there's a whole spare room, which we do not need at all, but like I said, this was last second and one of the last places available in town. It was either here or the sidewalk, so we chose wisely. This balcony from the spare room. Alright, so there was fireworks going off just up there, and you can see there's cathedrals and just beautiful old architecture everywhere. Alright. And there's Jasmine getting ready for bed. Finally, we have the bathroom. It's actually a pretty nice bathroom. It's got a separate sink and vanity, and then nice sized toilet, decent sized shower. It's actually perfect for anyone who's not 7 feet, and that's the place. You know, only here for one night, so we decided we wanted to hang out at the house and take full advantage. Jasmine's curled up. We're gonna watch a little bit of Netflix, and we'll see you in the morning. Happy Sunday, good morning. Make sure if you're ever in Cuenca, go to sleep early on Saturday nights, because you will be awake at 6:30. The church believes in things come in threes. There's a divinity or something like that, including church bells. It's beautiful after 6:30. The 6:30 ones didn't sound that good.
Those were terrible.
But the 7:30 ones aren't that bad. We were tired last night, so we went to bed somewhat early anyway, so we probably got some good sleep. We set the alarms for 9:30, but didn't need that at all. There they go, right there. He's coming threes. 3 times. I think it's 3 times 3. So you can see all the mountains surrounding the city. We are really excited. I think Jasmine deserves some flowers. So we are finally ready to go. One thing we definitely noticed when we got to the city is that people tend to dress a little bit nicer out here. At least, you know, and it's Sunday, so people are gonna put on their Sunday best. So we decided to do the same. Jasmine's still getting ready, but we wanted to, you know, dress a little nicer and feel like we're, you know, a part of the city a little bit more. I think we're both really excited to just get out there and check things out. So let's go take a tour. So we walked around town, checked out some things. We saw San Blas. And I know I didn't bring you guys with me, but you'll come on the next adventure. We checked out San Blas, we saw a few churches, and the city is just as beautiful as we thought it was. Checked a few things out, and time just flew by. It's already about 11:30, and we check out of here at 12. And you know what, I can't wait to tell you. If you guys think this view is nice, the only thing this place has on the other place is the balconies, but the view is even better. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I got Jasmine some sunflowers. Maybe I thought they were called daisies, but turns out daisy is a completely different flower. I bought her a few sunflowers to look cute with her dress. There she is, with her sunflowers.
Daisies are white.
Daisies are okay. Well, you learned something. I was like, no, yeah. I was like, I think I want to get the daisies for you. She's like, I don't see them. Where are you seeing daisies? And I was like, Open your eyes, Jasmine. Anyways, you know, I don't know. I'm just so excited for this new place. Ready to go, and it'll only be a few seconds before you guys see it.
Welcome to crib number 2 of Cuenca, Ecuador. So, we have the living room area, a little glass table, very cute. They put little coffee beans here, because obviously the coffee in South America is a huge statement. Little TV, you probably won't use it. Jordan brought a PlayStation, so we'll see if that'll connect, because it didn't connect to the other place. We probably already talked about it. He bought me some flowers. And this is, check out the view we got. We thought the view from the last apartment was 10 times like what we'd expect, and then we got here. And we can see the mountains. I love the top of all the roofs. And I can just imagine what it's gonna look like in the nighttime. You kind of already see through, but the bedroom is right behind the living room. It's all window. Bunch of light coming in. I love the natural light. Here's the bathroom. And this is probably my favorite part here. The shower has a big window as well, so while you're showering, you're so high up that people can't see you showering necessarily, but you can see everything else. So I think we did really good. Good job on picking out this place. We almost didn't get it, so
I'm glad it all worked out.
It all worked out.
And there's a pretty big closet actually too.
Probably not gonna unpack. Oh, and this one has hangers.
We bought hangers in Monta.
Plenty of clothes. And extra pillows, Jordan.
Yes.
Made out of like actual alpaca. It's soft. But this little hangout area, it smells really good out here.
Yeah, we're gonna have a glass of wine and relax here later.
Yes. And then, is this another room?
Those are other apartments.
Okay, I don't want But yeah, welcome. I'm super excited.
All right, beautiful.